Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you play Roblox game. So first of all, you need to download Roblox game, and if you already downloaded it, you need to sign up and just go to Roblox app. I have already signed up. Now into the app, here you can see there are a lot of games you can play. I'm just choosing this one, Grand Theft Auto, and after choosing the game, click the bottom green play icon, and now here you can see just by that you can play the game that you want. You can choose other games to play. There are so many games in Roblox, like this one, red light, green light. So guys, that's how you can play Roblox. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.